What does branding mean to you? Like in this year 2025, what does it really mean to you and your business? Branding has gone beyond logo and catchy slogans. It's now the heart of your business, because if you want your customers to have an experience or have a perception about your business, this is where branding comes in. It's not just about selling, or if you're doing buying and selling to your customers. It's now, how does your customers feel about your business? What do they think about your business when they see your brand? What comes to their mind first? That's what branding it's all about. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you steps on how you can actually implement these things to help your customers have a perception about your brand. Hi, my name is Sochi, and on this channel, we'll talk on how to improve your brand and also grow your business. Let's dive right into the video. So for you to be able to improve your brand, you have to understand what branding is and also how it impacts your business. First of you, like I said, branding is a perception. What your customers feel about your brand, how your customers rather feel about your brand, and how they see your brand. That is what branding is. And then how does it impact your business? When you brand your business the right way, your customers will be loyal to you, they would trust you, they would do the referral for you, they would market your business for you literally, because they are always going to use the word of mouth to bring customers to you. So that's why branding is important. And also you have to ensure that your customer service is also doing well, so that when these customers experience the quality of your product, they are also going to experience your customer service, how they feel that you know them. So you have to make it personal, make them feel known and personal. This will make your business to stand stronger with your competitors. It will help you to compete more. Now let's go into like step by step guide on how you can actually brand your business. First off, you should understand that marketing and advertising are two different things in branding your business. Like I said, branding is how your customers feel about your business. So when you're marketing, you're not advertising. I don't know if that makes sense. So your marketing is, what story are you telling your customers? What stories are you giving them for them to be able to resonate with your brand, for them to be able to relate, and give them that feeling that, oh, someone is understanding how I feel about this thing. For example, skincare products. When you tell them stories of how probably you struggled with a particular skincare issue, sorry, a particular skin issue, or you had breakouts that refused to go, and then you found out this recipe or this product that would work, and you used it, it worked. Someone that is having that issue will surely want to buy, test, and know if it works for them. So that is a story that resonates with people, your target audience. So remember, you have to have a target audience before you start your marketing, because you must know who you want to sell to. That is where your story will be able to be relatable, for people to be able to resonate with your story. Then advertising is like, you have told your story and then you're putting it out there for people to understand, for people to see it. You can do this through social media, you can do it, on TV, on radio stations, different areas that you can actually use to advertise. But you need to understand that marketing is different from advertising in branding. So if I may ask you, as a business owner, have you branded your business? Have you been able to tell a story that resonates with your customers? Are they just buying because it's a product that they need, and this could actually make them not to be loyal, because they can as well buy it from someone else, right? So what is the story that you're telling your customers that make them to resonate with your brand and stick with you, and even be able to refer you to other customers? How are you advertising your brand? Are you using social media? Are you using, social media is very common these days. So how are you advertising? Are you using professionals who know how to, put the story out there? Are you doing it by yourself? Just leave a comment for me in the comment section for me to know how you're going with your brand. And if you haven't started, why don't you start? Try it out and see the change in your brand. So, guys, remember that branding will always assist you to stand stronger with your competitors, and it's also going to help your customers to have a feeling to resonate with your brand story. I'll see you in my next one. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and also click on the notification bell to get notification whenever I post new videos. Bye.